Next point is IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. It is one type of network in which all the physical object means fan, tube light, fridge, air conditioner, oven, smart TV, etc. are connected to internet through a network devices or router for exchange of data. So in short, we can control fan, tube light, fridge and air conditioner by using internet. This is done by using Internet of Things network. In past lectures, we have seen we can control the devices by using app, but we have to be in the surrounding area in order to control the device. But using the IoT, we can control the devices by using internet. So there is a no limit of the distance. We can control the device from any location on the world. IoT allows object to control remotely using internet. IoT is an intelligent techniques which reduces human efforts by auto controlling of devices. So in IoT, the IoT systems itself takes the decision to turn on the system or turn off the systems. तर बघा इथं IoT आपण बघतोय. IoT म्हणजे इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स. इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्सने आपण जे डिव्हाइसेस आहेत फॅन ट्यूब एअर कंडिशनर स्मार्ट टी व्ही हे IoT नेटवर्क थ्रू इंटरनेटला कनेक्ट केलेले असतात डेटा एक्सचेंज करण्यासाठी. आणि हा डेटा एक्सचेंज झाला की रिमोट लोकेशनवरून इंटरनेटवरून तुम्ही ती डिव्हाइस ऑन ऑफ करू शकता. तर याला डिस्टन्सचं काही लिमिट नाही. दुसरं म्हणजे IoT सिस्टीम स्वतः काही डिसिजन्स घेते ती सिस्टीम चालवण्यासाठी. फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुमची लाईट ऑनच राहिली आहे तर IoT सिस्टीम स्वतःच कोणी तिचं नसेल एन्व्हायरमेंटमध्ये तर मोशन सेन्सर डिटेक्ट करून ऑटोमॅटिकली लाईट ऑफ करून टाकते. तर ही सिस्टीम थोडीशी ॲडव्हान्स आपल्याला दिसेल. नेक्स्ट इज ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ IoT. First one is smart refrigerator. We can see this is smart refrigerator. This refrigerator not only inform you about the empty bottles in the fridge but also order them online before they run out. Means IoT based smart refrigerator. If there is a juice section in the refrigerator and if there is a no juice in the refrigerator, then smart refrigerator order the juice bottle from the online services. Next is smart car. Smart car take the decisions like it automatically drive or it automatically turn on the brake if the situation like accident. For example, Tesla car automatically open the garage door before you arrive at homes and you can remotely control the temperature, light, charging of the car. The car can upgrade itself automatically by downloading and installing the latest firmware. So here we can see the example of smart car. This car, if the car is nearer to your parking garage, then the car send the signal to the garage and the garage door will open, and also you can control the temperature, light and charging of the car from the remote locations. Smart health monitor. Smart health monitor used for the patients who can't go to the doctors. Then there are various sensors attached to the body of the person. The sensors data is continuously sent through the gateway from the internet towards the doctors, like heart rate, respiratory rate, skin temperature, body posture, fall detection, ECG. So doctors can remotely monitor the patient health. Next is automatic electronic toll collection system, in which this system is also connected to the internet, where the fast tag is connected onto the car. So tag reader reads the tag and automatically decrement the money from the wallet, and there is a no stoppage for the car in toll collection area. Next is Nest Smart Thermostat. This thermostat connected to internet, so it automatically understands the routine and adjusts the temperature based on your activity. This thermostat also connected to the IoT system through internet. For example, you set the AC temperature for yourself as 27 degrees centigrade. Then if you enter the area, then thermostat set the temperature as 27 degrees centigrade. If another person in your home set the temperature like 28 degrees centigrade, if he enters in the room, then thermostat set the temperature as 28 degrees centigrade. So it automatically adjusts the temperature. Water monitoring. So we can monitor the water feed to the farm automatically by using IoT स्मार्ट मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टीम. तर बघा IoTचे काही ॲप्लिकेशन्स इथं आपण एक्सप्लेन केलेत. स्मार्ट रेफ्रिजरेटर मध्ये एम्प्टी बॉटल असेल तर ऑटोमॅटिकली तुम्हाला सांगेल की एम्प्टी बॉटल आतमध्ये ठेवली आहे, किंवा एखादा सेक्शन असेल ज्यूसचा तर ज्यूसची बॉटल संपली त्या सेक्शन मधली की ती स्मार्ट रेफ्रिजरेटर ऑटोमॅटिकली त्याला ऑर्डर करत. त्याचप्रमाणे स्मार्ट कार, टेस्लाची जी कार आहे ऑटोमॅटिकली तुम्ही रिमोट लोकेशनवरून त्याचे चार्जिंग, त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्यातली टेम्परेचर, त्याच्या आतमध्ये लाईट्स कंट्रोल करू शकता. त्याच्यानंतर ती कार्स गॅरेजच्या जवळ आली, पार्किंग गॅरेजच्या, की ऑटोमॅटिकली ती गॅरेजचं डोअर ओपन करते. हेल्थ मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टीम, पेशंटला वेगवेगळे सेन्सर्स अटॅच असतात आणि ते सेन्सर्स IoT थ्रू डॉक्टर्सला रिमोटली पेशंटचा हेल्थचा डेटा फॉरवर्ड करतात. त्याच्यामुळं पेशंटवरती रिमोटली लक्ष ठेवू शकतो आपण. त्याच्यानंतर ऑटोमॅटिक टोल कलेक्शन. तर फास्टॅग असतो गाडीला आणि रीडर फास्टॅग रीड केला की ते ऑटोमॅटिकली वॉलेटमधनं पैसे रिड्यूस करतो आणि कारला टोल कलेक्शनच्या सिस्टीमच्या तिथे थांबायची गरज नाही. तसंच थर्मोस्टॅट बघितलं आपण की हा थर्मोस्टॅट फॅमिली मेंबर्स प्रत्येकसाठी वेगळं टेम्परेचर सेट करू शकता आणि तो एंटर झाला की तसं टेम्परेचर सेट होईल. वॉटर मॉनिटरिंग, ऑटोमॅटिकली ह्युमिडिटी डिटेक्ट केली जाईल तुमच्या शेतातली आणि त्याच्यानुसार जे फार्ममधलं पाणी आहे ते चालू बंद करण्याचं काम ही IoT सिस्टीम करेल. नेक्स्ट इज IoT वर्सेस मशीन टू मशीन. Before IoT, there is a machine-to-machine systems. Now we are going to see what is the difference between machine-to-machine and Internet of Things. Machine-to-machine, in which one machine is connected to other machine, means sensors are connected to embedded systems. So here we can control the home devices by using applications, but we have to be nearer to the home. But the smart home using IoT, in which IoT appliance control by using various sensors, internet and so on, in which sensors data is sent to the cloud server and cloud server is connected to your mobile, so you can control home appliances by using internet. So here systems are connected to internet. In this machine to machine, only one system is connected to one system. Machine to machine requires maintenance. IoT requires integration. IoT requires multiple devices connected to each other. Machine to machine is point to point communication. One machine is connected to another machines only. IoT is a cloud communication based technology in which all the devices connected to each other through cloud server. Machines normally connected with single machine at a time. One machine is connected to only one machine, but in IoT many users can access the system at one time over the internet. Means if the applications install on your mobiles, you can also control, and if applications is installed on the phone of your family member, then they also control the systems from the internet. Machine to machine requires supports and updates. IoT is based on big data. It updates automatically. Machine to machine is hardware based and IoT is hardware plus software based.